In this tutorial, I will show you how to automatically install a template on every new account created on your Whitelabel. This is very useful in a situation where you want a flow to be automatically installed on all new accounts created on your Whitelabel. First, let us create the flow that will be included in the template we want to automatically install on every new account connected to our Whitelabel. Once done, let us publish our flow and proceed to the tool section where we will create our template. Let us select template and name our template. Let us select the flow we want to include in our template and click Save. Let us get the template link and save it on a notepad, as we will need our template ID and template key shortly. Now, let us proceed to our Whitelabel dashboard and navigate to Settings. On the Others tab, we will find Default Template for New Bots. That is where we will add our template ID and template key. Copy and paste the template ID and template key accordingly and save. Now, let us create a new account and see if the template will be automatically installed. Yes, the template was automatically installed. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.